I am Guilherme Avelino. I'm the country manager for EPS Brazil. I have been working for EPS since the past 14 years developing Brazil. The perspective and the trends for Brazil is that we are passing through electrification moment. So a lot of mechanical and electromechanical manufacturing companies are moving for more electronics. And for this, EPS has been extremely helpful. We have seen more automotive and motorcycles business grow in Brazil, and EPS has been one of their major solutions, and we see more and more of these grow in Brazil. We see major opportunities for growth in Brazil in 3 to 5 years in smart meters, water meters, and also we believe that in 3 to 5 years we'll see the medical tech business grow in Brazil, and this is something that we are already supporting in Europe and US, and we are preparing ourselves to be the good solution, preferred solution in Brazil. The customers choose to go to EPS rather than competitors or OEMs because firstly, EPS is a global company, so we are located in different places, different cities, and we can support them locally and globally. Secondly, we can bring many of equipments, adapters, sockets, algorithm from a different location to Brazil. So that means that we can support fast, we can provide a suitable solution, and also we do this by using our own equipment, means that we handle and manage the security. For potential customers that are listening to us, the reason why they should contact EPS, and I will number a few of those. Firstly, we have been in Brazil for 15 years, so we know what you are doing for a very long time. Secondly, we have 2 locations, so we can support Brazil from the north to the south, because we are based in Manaus and also in Americana in São Paulo. I can tell you easily that we are extremely flexible solution, so the customer needs a quick turnaround, so we can support them in 24 to 48 hours. And also, we had scale, so we can attend customers that are looking for 100 parts, 100,000 parts, 5 million parts a year. That leads me to the third one, is the fact that we have automatic solutions. So we had plus 10 automatic programmers in Brazil that we can program, verify, and support all the device, bring security and quality to the device that our customers have.